Our asphalt, man. Oh, that's funny.
Somebody falling some sand in his ass, and they're like, "Oh, asphalt." Oh, the asphalt.
Asphalt.
That's funny. What up, Chesnie? You look like the Blue Man Group.
I made that same mistake myself. They're called the Blue Man Group.
Yeah. So yeah, he's sanding all the bottom down. It's got a few little patches and stuff he's got to do.
Paint job is no good. We gotta make it all brand new.
Yep. What's up, guys? It's Saturday. Checking in here on Chesnie. Here at the yard, see where he's at. Oh yeah. He's working on the customer's boat right now.
Every day you guys get to open a new gift.
Yeah, so this is called bottom paint, and bottom paint basically just when your boat's in salt water, especially, you're gonna want to, yeah. The what? Oh yeah, yeah. Look, it's leaking through the hole.
That's what she said.
Yeah, he's got a crack in his keel. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's my biggest fear right there is a cracked hole.
My biggest fear is turning into him.
Guys, we do it down here. We get to the nitty gritty. Chesnie's been down here sanding this boat for probably 6.5 hours today. Chesnie was just saying was this bottom paint is really old. It's just really old. That's all. But the boat owner doesn't know he's got bigger problems. It's still leaking water out of this keel. So he's gonna need some Chesnie love here.
At least buy me dinner first.
Boom.
What is it, Chesnie? Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's a hole.
That's what she said.
I'd say that's where the water came from, huh, bud?
Well, I can only assume.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at how much water's coming out of it still, too. Wow.
Oh man, I feel like wow.
That was a big old hole.
That's what she said.
Hopefully my boat doesn't have any of those. Bottom paint off now. Yeah? Nice. Oh, and you filled the holes too? Oh, wow, yeah. So yeah, he's got them all filled in. This thing will never leak again, huh? Yep. All right, what we got going on here, Chesnie?
Getting high on my own supply.
Never get high on your own supply.
I don't know if you guys ever messed with fiberglass resin, but it
Always use your mask. Don't do what I do.
no.
Do safety training every year or after an accident.
Don't do what I do.
No, we got a good wind gust though. We got a literal solid, like constant 10-mile-an-hour wind gust here.
Yeah. Still don't do what I do though.
No. We are trained professionals.
You guys remember that big old hole on the bottom of the boat?
Yep.
Like nothing happened.
Can't even tell. This thing's gonna be brand new. I think this boat's like a 1990 or something. It's gonna look great when we're all done with it. See how he sanded down all the way through the gel coat where he's gonna put new fiberglass? That way it's fiberglass on fiberglass. It's all the same chemicals, the same materials, all going back on top of each other. This gel coat is not fiberglass. Always jamming.
So what keeps me going?
Fiberglass and gel coat smooth. No one does it like you do. Waves crash in the bay. Boats coming.
I'm gonna lay down on the job a little bit.
Yeah. Take a load off. Relax.
He works with skill and grace. Fixes all, sets the pace. Chesnie the boat fixer.
A creeper would have been good for this too.
What?
A creeper?
Wait a second.
I'll bring my creeper tomorrow.
What is that?
The roller thing. So you can roll underneath.
This a good creeper
Yeah,
too.
yeah. That's the Roton creeper.
Yeah.
The things like the mechanics lay on and roll around.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Extra, read all about it. Get the youths in need and there is no doubt.
Jeepers creepers, that reminds me.
All right, Chesnie.
What up,
Recapping off on the day here. What do we got going on?
Just cutting some glass loose so I don't have a bunch of sanding to do.
Yep. Just getting the major material off. So basically he's patched all the holes. Sounds a lot simpler than actually
What do you guys
happened.
think? Check that out.
Yeah, that thing's rock solid
It's
now.
not bulletproof, but it's people. I mean, people. What?
Yeah. You know.
People proof, waterproof,
know. Write
some
that
kind
down.
of proof.
Well, no water's gonna get in. We know that. But bulletproof, I've yet to see a bulletproof boat.
Bulletproof, baby.
Look at that, sticking a knife. She's cured all the way.
Yep. And there's no air bubbles in any of it.
There's nada.
He's got it all sanded down rough, and then he's gonna bottom paint right over this, right? Or are you gonna put a little gel coat on first?
It's all gonna be gel coat on the bottom.
Perfect.
Gel coat.
Gel coat?
Gel coat.
Maybe close to that.
Are they not gonna keep the boat in the water all 24/7?
Nah, it's a trailer boat. So
Trailer boat now. So
Yeah.
maybe at a certain point in time in this boat's life, it was in the water constantly. So they put a bottom paint on it. But now he's gonna put a gel coat on it. So now it's gonna be just like my boat. You know, there's no bottom paint on it. All gel coat.
solid stuff.
Yep.
So Kev,
Yeah.
you're gonna do the masking on the tape and stuff. I'm gonna finish putting all the coat on this and done this boat.
All right.
Because I got planned on sitting that down in the trailer this evening.
Okay.
Hopefully the customer like the color.
Yeah, it should be fine. I like it.
It's nice. It's a pretty
Yep.
color.
Not quite white. Not
Nope.
quite tan. It's like a real off-white.
Check it out, guys.
Man, this thing's gonna be sweet.
Catchy color.
Yeah, with that blue. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. Yeah, this little boat's gonna be sweet.
Nice little boat. At least he can't worry. He don't have to worry no more about the bottom out water getting in.
Nope. Yeah, this thing.
Keep his family safe, him safe, you know.
All right, Chesnie. Recapping the day.
I think I need a recap.
Recap. A recap would be good, you know, just to kind of brush up on everything that happened. Recap.
Got 3 coats of gel coat on the bottom of this boat. 3 coats of clear on my boat. Well, that's about it. Really, we installed the motor mounts, the drain plug. Yep. Yeah, we're just buttoning it up. So tomorrow we'll find out what else we need to do. I think tomorrow we're gonna put a list of everything that needs to get done.
Yep.
And then we'll just start crossing it off because I think we're a little lost right now. All right, Chesnie, I'll see you tomorrow.
Peace out.
Manana. See you guys. Check in. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Just me by the hands of